Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how we can use the peels of the orange for our skin. For this powder, you have to do nothing. You just have to let them dry in a natural heat, and after I think 4 to 5 days, you can grind them in a mixture, and it's ready to use. So for the first DIY, I am taking 1 tablespoon orange powder and 1 tablespoon curd and pinch of turmeric powder. And now I am just spraying a little rose water because I don't want my texture very thick, so I am just spraying it a little. So now give everything a good mix and then apply the paste on your face as well as on your neck. And now after 10 to 15 minutes you can wash your face. So for the second DIY, I am again taking 1 tablespoon orange powder that I have made at my home only, and 1 tablespoon gram flour besan, and now half tablespoon glycerin. So now give everything a good mix and it's ready to apply. You can apply this all over your face as well as neck. Let them dry on your skin for about 10 minutes, and after that you can rinse your face. So now last but not the least, mask. I'm again taking 1 tablespoon orange peel powder and aloe vera gel. You can take aloe vera gel of any brand that has available at your home. And last ingredient is honey. You can take 1 or 2 tablespoon honey and mix all over it. So now after mask has been 90% dried up on my skin, you can scrub it as well. And after that you can wash your face. So after every mask you must apply a body lotion or a moisturizer on your face. So yes guys, that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys like this video, and please do this DIY mask try and share your reviews with me in the comment sections below. See you soon, and please stay safe, stay home.